Most videos don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because of bad packaging, wrong captions, weak hooks, poor formatting, and by the time you realize it, the video is already dead. That's the problem tools like Viewmax are trying to fix. I wanted to see if Viewmax actually helps videos perform better, or if it's just another editor with fancy marketing. So I used it the same way a creator or business owner would. Real videos, real uploads. Viewmax AI is basically a video creation and optimization tool built for short form content. Think YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels. Instead of editing everything manually, it gives you templates, captions, and structure designed to keep people watching. The first thing I noticed was speed. Normally, turning an idea into a finished short video takes time. Writing, editing, formatting. Viewmax cuts that down a lot. You start with a template, adjust the content, and you're already halfway done. The second thing is captions, and not boring captions. These are styled the way viral videos use them. Big, clear, easy to read. That alone makes a difference because most people watch without sound. Now, honest pros and cons. The biggest pro is speed. You can produce more videos without burning out. It's also beginner friendly. You don't need to be an editor to make something that looks professional. The downside is it's not magic. If your content idea is weak, no tool will save it. And Viewmax pricing only makes sense if you're posting regularly. If you upload once a month, it's overkill. So is Viewmax worth it? If you're serious about growing with short form video, it can help you move faster and stay consistent. That alone improves performance over time. But if you're not posting consistently, you probably don't need it. For creators and businesses trying to scale content, Viewmax removes one of the biggest bottlenecks, getting videos ready to publish quickly. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.